Yo man, how's it going?
What's up with the t-shirt?
What's with that shirt? Hey dude, have you had time to check the email that I just sent you? Email? No, we don't use email. We either use Slack for communication or we use Notion if you just want to throw us some idea that we should investigate. Don't worry about it. Just check up your inbox. We have a big sales case with a huge customer. They have a new customer request that we should implement, and we have a due date in 6 weeks. But should be all good, no? Wait, what? We're working on several projects right now. I don't think that we really have the time for this, and I don't think that we have investigated this at all. Well, we don't have time to investigate it. It's already in the contract, so we just have to do it. So hold on. Why did you put this in the contract? Has anybody approved it? Let me think about that. I'll check it out. Just continue with the awesome work, dude. Hold on. This doesn't make any sense. I'll check with the CPO.
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want